Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your places. This presentation for class 1, subject English Reader, chapter number 1, Do Not Waste. Today's topic is exercise where we will use has and have. लेक्चर नंबर 4 स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम वर्कशीट नंबर 1 और उसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जहां पर हमें हैज़ एंड हैव का यूज़ करना है. लेट अस स्टार्ट. वर्कशीट नंबर 1, डू नॉट वेस्ट. डू नॉट वेस्ट. यूज ऑफ हैज़ एंड हैव. नंबर 1, fill in the blanks with has and have. Students, earlier I have taught you where should we use has and have in sentences. Students, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि has का यूज़ कहाँ करना चाहिए और have का यूज़ कहाँ करना चाहिए sentences में. We will now practice what we have learned so far. आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो हमने सीखा है. ए, आई डैश अ रेड पेंसिल इन माई ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to see if the noun is singular, then you have to use has. If noun is plural, then you have to use have. Except I. I को छोड़कर. I के साथ we will use always have. अगर noun singular है तो has का यूज होगा और अगर noun plural है तो have का यूज होगा. I के साथ हमेशा have का यूज होगा. Got it? Then I. सोचिए आप अब यहाँ क्या यूज होगा. थिंक अबाउट दैट. दिस इज आई, देन वी विल यूज हियर हैव. आई हैव अ रेड पेंसिल इन माई ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. बी, माई ब्रदर डैश a blue bike. Think about that. You must think what should come in blanks, has or have. First of all, you have to check it is a singular or plural. My brother. Tell me, it's a singular or plural? My brother, मेरा भाई. It's a singular ना? So we will use here has. My brother has a blue bike. Part C. The girls dash new dresses. Student, I told you that first of all we have to check that it's a singular or plural. Then how do we know that it's a singular or plural in girls? Because there is S in the end. If there is no S in the end, that it means it's a singular. Now there is S in the end, so it's become plural. The girls. Okay, singular means one and plural means more than one. Then there is girls. Girls is plural, so the girls have new dresses. Part D. A monkey dash a long tail. A monkey, एक monkey. Simple. It's a singular, so we will use here has. A monkey has a long tail. E. Elephants dash small eyes. Look here. There is S in the end. So it's a plural. Elephants हाथी, बहुत सारे हाथी, एक से ज़्यादा. Elephants. It's a plural, so we will use here have. ये plural है इसलिए हम have का use करेंगे. Elephants have small eyes. F. A tiger dash stripes on its body. A tiger. Student, look at there. A tiger means एक बाघ. Simple. It's a singular because here is a tiger. एक बाघ के बारे में बात हो रही है. We are talking about one tiger. So it's, if there is singular, so we will use has. Okay, I told you na. So we will use here has. A tiger has stripes on its body. Part G. Our teacher dash a nice black bag. Our teacher. हमारी teacher. There is not talking about teachers. There is talking about teacher. So it's a singular. So we will use here has. Our teacher has a nice black bag. यहाँ पर एक टीचर के बारे में बात हो रही है तो यहाँ has का यूज करेंगे. H. Fish dash scales. There is no fishes, there is fish. So it's a singular. So we will use has. Fish has scales. I. Peacock dash beautiful feathers. Peacock means singular. So what we will use here? Think about that. If there is singular, so we will use has. If there is plurals, we will use have. There is singular, that's why we will use here has. यहाँ पर singular है, एक peacock के बारे में बात हो रही है. So we will use here has. Peacock has beautiful feathers. J. Stars dash light of their on. Look at this. There is S, stars. There is talking about stars, more than one. If there is star, then it will be singular, but there is S in the end, so it become stars, more than one, एक से ज़्यादा. Stars, if there is plural, so we will use here have. Stars have light of their on. Number 2. Choose has or have to make the sentences correct. हमें यहाँ पर has और have को choose करना है sentences को correct करने के लिए. Let us read. A. Rita dash long hair. Which is right, has or have? First of all, check it's a singular or plural. Rita is a singular name, so has is a correct option. Okay, so we will tick here. Rita has long hair. B. My mother dash beautiful eyes. My mother, मेरी मम्मी, singular. So what we will use here? Singular के साथ क्या use करते हैं हम? Has. So we will use here has. My mother has beautiful eyes. ठीक है. C. Banana trees dash broad leaves. Banana trees. Here is S. It's become plural. Banana trees. केले के पेड़. It means more than one tree. So it's a plural. So we will use here have because we will use always have with plural. So banana trees have broad leaves. D. Forest dash many trees. Forest means jungle. But we will use here has or have? Has. Forest has many trees. Part E. All kinds dash cute smile. All kids dash cute smile. Kids means बच्चे. Here is S. So they are more than one. So ये एक से ज़्यादा है. So we will use here have. All kids have cute smiles. F. I dash a robot then can talk. Look here. Here is I. So think about that. We will always use have with I. So have is a right option. I have a robot that can talk. G. My brother and Pankaj dash juice and sandwich for breakfast. My brother and Pankaj. मेरा भाई और पंकज. They are more than one. एक से ज़्यादा है ना. So we will use here have because they are plural. My brother and Pankaj have juice and sandwich for breakfast. H. She dash a nice garden in front of her house. She is a singular, so we will use here has. She has a nice garden in front of her house. I part. A giraffe dash a very long neck. A giraffe. एक giraffe. Simple. A giraffe means singular. So we will use here has. A giraffe has a very long neck. J. Birds. Look here again. Here is S. So they are more than one birds. एक से ज़्यादा पक्षी हैं. अगर एक होता तो bird होता. अगर एक से ज़्यादा हैं तो birds हैं. Birds have wings that help them to fly. Students, this is homework for you. Do part 1 and 2 of worksheet number 1 given on page number 34 in your book. बच्चों, पेज नंबर 34 में वर्कशीट नंबर 1 पे पार्ट 1 एंड 2 आपको बुक में ही करना है और मुझे मेरी मेल आईडी पर सेंड करना है. इफ़ यू लाइक माय वीडियो देन लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच. आई विल कम बैक अगेन in next video. Okay, bye.